The healthy benefits of eggs. Scientific insights. Eggs have been a staple in diets around the world for centuries, valued not only for their versatility and taste but also for their impressive nutritional profile. Often at the center of dietary debates, eggs have undergone scrutiny regarding their cholesterol content and its impact on heart health. However, a growing body of scientific research has unveiled numerous health benefits associated with egg consumption. This article delves into the nutritional composition of eggs and the various health benefits they provide, supported by scientific evidence. Nutritional profile of eggs. Eggs are among the most nutrient-dense foods available. A large egg contains approximately calories, 70-80 protein, 6 grams fat, 5 grams with about 1.5 grams saturated fat, cholesterol, 186 milligrams vitamins and minerals, vitamin B12, vitamin D, riboflavin, vitamin B2, selenium, phosphorus, choline, folate. The egg white is primarily composed of water and protein, while the yolk contains most of the vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. 1. Rich source of high-quality protein. One of the standout benefits of eggs is their high-quality protein content. Protein is essential for muscle repair, growth, and overall health. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that dietary protein plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle mass and strength as individuals age. Including eggs in a balanced diet can help older adults preserve muscle mass, which is vital for maintaining independence and reducing the risk of falls and fractures. 2. Heart health. For years, eggs were criticized for their cholesterol content, with many fearing they could lead to heart disease. However, recent studies suggest that eggs may not significantly impact heart health as once believed. A review published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that egg consumption does not increase the risk of cardiovascular disease in healthy individuals. In fact, eggs can increase levels of high-density lipoprotein HDL or good cholesterol, which is linked to a lower risk of heart disease. Furthermore, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicated that moderate egg consumption up to 7 eggs per week may actually be associated with a reduced risk of stroke. 3. Nutrient-dense food. Eggs are nutrient-dense, meaning they provide a significant amount of vitamins and minerals relative to their caloric content. The presence of various essential nutrients in eggs supports several aspects of health. Choline. This essential nutrient is vital for brain health, liver function, and cellular structure. According to the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, many individuals do not meet the recommended intake of choline. Eggs are one of the best dietary sources, with a single egg providing about 30 of the daily recommended intake. Vitamin D. Eggs are one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and immune function. A study in the Journal of Nutrition highlighted the role of vitamin D in calcium absorption and its association with reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Selenium. This trace mineral acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect cells from damage. Research published in Nutrients indicated that selenium plays a role in thyroid function and supports the immune system. 4. Weight management. Incorporating eggs into a balanced diet can be beneficial for weight management. High-protein foods like eggs promote satiety, leading to reduced calorie intake throughout the day. A study published in the International Journal of Obesity found that individuals who consumed eggs for breakfast felt fuller than those who ate a bagel with the same calorie content. The participants who ate eggs also consumed fewer calories during the day, aiding in weight loss. 5. Eye health. Eggs contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are essential for eye health. These compounds help filter harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration (AMD) and cataracts. Research published in Investigative Ophthalmology Visual Science demonstrated that lutein and zeaxanthin can accumulate in the retina, protecting it from oxidative stress and improving overall eye health. Consuming eggs as part of a diet rich in these antioxidants can help maintain vision and reduce the risk of degenerative eye diseases. 6. Brain health. Choline, found in abundance in eggs, plays a critical role in brain health and cognitive function. Studies have shown that adequate choline intake during pregnancy and early childhood is crucial for brain development. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicated that choline is vital for neurotransmitter synthesis and may improve cognitive performance. In adults, consuming foods rich in choline may support memory and cognitive function, particularly as they age. 7. Blood sugar regulation. Eggs may play a role in regulating blood sugar levels, making them a suitable food choice for individuals with diabetes. The high protein content of eggs can lead to improved insulin sensitivity and better blood sugar control. A study published in Diabetes Care found that consuming eggs as part of a low-carbohydrate diet led to improved glycemic control in individuals with type 2 diabetes. The researchers concluded that incorporating eggs into the diet could be beneficial for managing blood sugar levels. 8. Versatile and easy to incorporate. Eggs are not only nutritious but also incredibly versatile. They can be prepared in various ways: boiled, poached, scrambled, or fried, and can be included in a wide range of dishes, from breakfast to dinner. This versatility makes it easy to incorporate eggs into any diet. Additionally, eggs are relatively inexpensive and have a long shelf life, making them a practical choice for families and individuals looking to eat healthily without breaking the bank. Conclusion: eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a range of health benefits supported by scientific research. From their high-quality protein and essential vitamins and minerals to their positive effects on heart health, weight management, and brain function, eggs can play a significant role in a balanced diet. As with any food, moderation is key. For most people, consuming up to 7 eggs per week can be part of a healthy lifestyle. However, individuals with specific health conditions, such as diabetes or hypercholesterolemia, should consult with a healthcare professional regarding their egg consumption. In summary, the evidence is clear: eggs are not only nutritious but also beneficial for overall health. Incorporating them into your diet can lead to numerous health benefits, making them a valuable addition to any meal plan. So, whether you enjoy them in a classic breakfast scramble or as an ingredient in a hearty salad, feel free to embrace the incredible benefits of eggs as part of your healthy eating journey.